Oh, hello. Welcome back. So today we're going to show you how to use mathematical induction to prove this this equation. Before I started, please, if you can support this channel by subscribing it, so you don't have to miss, you don't want to miss any latest update. So let's use a math induction. So what is a mathematical induction? We go 3 steps. First step is initial value for n. So you can see n is greater than or equal than 1. So we use the initial n. So we let n equal to 1. So then we can try see for left equal to right. So left-hand side will be n is 1. So we substitute into 3 times by 1 minus 1. So it'll be 1 times by 2, which is 2. Then we do the right-hand side using the 1. Replace n, so 1 squared times by 1 plus 1. So it'll be same as left-hand side. So therefore, on the left equal to right, when n equal to 1. So that's proof. So let's do the next step. Assumption. So we assume n equal to k, where left-hand side is 1 times by 2 plus 2 times by 5 plus 3 times by 8 plus k, n equal to k, will be equal to k squared minus times by k plus 1. So now step 3, we're going to prove n equal to k plus 1. So the left-hand side, okay, left-hand side, we're going to use this. So this is the assumption we're going to use. So the left-hand side, the first k terms is equal to, so k squared times by k plus 1. So that's the first k term. Plus the next term will be k plus 1 squared sorry, the next one will be k plus 1, then times by 3 k plus 1. So now we're going to take common factor out. So this is the common factor. So I'm going to take a k plus 1. So become k squared. Then you can expand in the bracket 3k, then plus 2. So that's becomes 2 factors, 1 and a 2. So therefore these two together will be k plus 1 to the power of 2 and k plus 2. For the left-hand side. So the right-hand side is substitute k plus 1 into n. So we also get k plus 1 plus 1. So the same as k plus 1 squared, k plus 2. So therefore we achieved, so we conclude left equal to right. So therefore the statement is true for any n as long as greater than 1. So QUD. All right, thank you for watching. If you like the solution, please give us the thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.